Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this lecture you will able to learn about ratio and proportion with real life examples. So stay connect with us till end. Ratio. It is way or method used to compare two quantities of the same kind is called ratio. It is represented by a fraction or the symbol. In order to understand ratio in real-life examples, suppose we have two cars with different speed is to be compared. Car 1 speed is 100 km per hour. Car 2 speed is 400 km per hour. So the ratio between the cars becomes 1:4. It can be written as fraction like this. Upper part is called antecedent, and lower part is called consequent. Another examples of ratio in daily life. In this examples we have also two quantities with different values. Fill with water has to be compared of same kind. Hence their ratio becomes 4:1. Problem on ratio. Find the ratio between 210 rupees and 105 rupees. Write in lowest equivalent form. So let's solve it step by step. 210:105 has to be divided in such a way that a number is divided with both values is same. Like 210 and 105 divide by 3. We get 70:35. In the same way, 70:35 divided by 5. We get 14:7. Hence its lowest equivalent form is 2:1. Next, proportion. Two equivalent ratios form a proportion. It is represented by the symbol. For example, 2:7 proportion 6:21. The two middle elements of a proportion are called means, whereas the elements at both ends of a proportion are known as extremes. Types of proportion. Direct proportion. When two quantities are related in such a way that if one quantity increases in a given ratio, the other also increases in the same ratio, and vice versa. For example, less money, less shopping. More construction, more materials are required. More students, more teachers are required. Formula used to direct proportion is indirect proportion. When two quantities are related in such a way that if one quantity increases in a given ratio, the other decreases in the same ratio. For example, more speed, less time is required. Formula used to indirect proportion is problem on direct proportion. If 20 meters cloth is used to make 4 dresses, how much cloth is required to make such 15 dresses? Step-by-step solution. Step 1. Find the cloth required for one dress. Since 20 meters of cloth is used for 4 dresses, the cloth required for one dress is cloth per dress equals 20 quarters. We get 5. Step 2. Find the cloth required for 15 dresses. Now multiply 15 by 5. We get 75. Final answer. 75 meters of cloth is required to make 15 dresses. Next. Problem on indirect proportion. 8 workers can do a job in 6 hours. How much time will 12 workers take do the same work? Let's solve step by step. Step 1. Find the total work in worker hours. According to given statement, an equation becomes 8 times 6 equals 12 times x. Substitution the value of x. We get 8 times 6 is divided by 12 equals x. Step 2. Now calculate the time required for 12 workers. 48 divided by 12 equals x. X equals 4 hours. Final answer. 12 workers will take 4 hours to complete the same job. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.